about the human development. So human development is that enlarges the people's choice and improves their lives. Now there are the several parameters by which we can measure this human development. First one is the life expectancy. Second one is the adult literacy rate. And third one is the GDP. You have to calculate on the basis of per capita income. Now by calculating these three, that means we will get the total sum, that means the human development index. So first one is the life expectancy, second one is the adult literacy rate, and third one is the GDP per capita income. Now by adding these three parameters, life expectancy, adult literacy rate and the GDP per capita income, we will get the human development index. Now next we will discuss about the life expectancy. What do you mean by life expectancy? That means the number of years up to which the human can sustain. That is called the life expectancy. Next, the adult literacy rate, how to calculate? That will be calculated on the basis of the dropout ratio, and GDP per capita income, that means you have to calculate on the basis of their income. Okay, so these are the three parameters we have to calculate whenever we have to do this human development index. Next, we will discuss about the various approaches. There are so many approaches for calculating this human development. First, we will consider the basic need approaches. Okay, so under these basic needs, we will find food, okay, water, shelter. These are the basic needs. Next, what will be the next index or the approaches? Capability approach. Under this capability approaches, we have to see the health of an individual. Clear? The capability means the health of an individual. We have to see how capable is that human that can do or perform a work. That is the capability index. So the second one will be the health. Next, what will be the next? Income approach.